Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Salak. Today we are solving a LeetCode number problem number 65 valid number. There are given a problem statement, given a string s return whether s is a valid number. A valid number can have numbers, optional sign plus or minus, at most one dot, at most one exponent e or e, capital E and small e. Exponent must have number before and after it. Example valid 20089 minus 0.1 plus 3.14 and 4. There are valid number and red color is a not valid number. ABC 1A 1E E3 rules. Integer sign details, decimal, exponent, e, small e and capital E, sign digit, exponent can appear only once, dot can appear only once. Main idea. We scan the string once and track three string. Number exits, dot used, e components used. At the end, if we have a number, it is a valid. How it is work? High level. When we see a digit set num true, we will see dot allowed only once and dot after exponent. When we see e or e, exponent allow only once and must have number before it. When we see plus or minus allowed only at start or right after small e and capital E. Any another character invalid. At the end return num must be true. How we handle each character? Digit 0 to 9 always valid, dot true only if dot not used and e not used. Exponent small e or capital E, e equals to true, num equals to false only if e not used and num is written. Sign plus or minus do anything, do nothing only at start or after e and e. Other any other character return false, invalid. Die and run. S equals to 3.5 e2 equals to true. Second example, s equals to 1e, false because of e is character, because of e is character. 3 s string because of single dot. There are not allow for number. Let's go to LeetCode number 65. There are boolean value, boolean num equals to false, boolean dot equals to false, and boolean e equals to false. And then after using a for loop, integer I equals to 0, I s dot size I plus plus. This loop goes through the complete string one by one. Digit check. If is digit s of I num equals to true, if digit is found, mark number as a true. else if s of I equals to dot, if dot and e return false. Only dot as a true. Use again else if s of I equals to small e and s of I equals to capital E if not equals to num return false. Only e equals to true. Num equals to false. Again use else if for a sign s of I equals to plus string and s of I equals to minus using if I greater than 0 and s of I minus 1 to not equal to e and s of I minus 1 also not equals to capital E return false. Else return false. Return value num. Let's check it and run this code. Wait for test result. Oh, so now accepted this code and submit this question. So runtime 0 microsecond and bits 100%. So thank you for this video. Bye.